Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet on
siapa yang follow to my channel. I just started, you know, about 6 months ago. I decided I just want to create my YouTube channel, post all my driving video, you know. Alhamdulillah, after 6 months, sekarang I dah ada dalam 5,000 subscribers. So sebab I dah ada subscribers ni semua, I think I need to appreciate them. You know, I got a lot of comments, a lot of requests from them. Kata, you know, why don't I buat POV untuk kereta-kereta idaman diorang, you know. Of course, this is not my car. Kata, I'm so grateful sebab I ada kawan-kawan which can share with me and share with all my subscribers. So today, first start of 2020, kita start dengan kereta legend. I think semua kenal, siapa car enthusiast semua sure kenal kereta ni. This is Skyline R34 GTR. Alright, this is not GTT, this is not Skyline 4 pintu ke apa. This is Skyline GTR R34. Alright, first thing I think yang korang, siapa Skyline followers, korang mesti notice, this is called MFD. Nissan panggil dia MFD, multi-function display. Only GTR je yang ada ni. Alright, ada macam-macam jadian GTR kat luar sana. You ada GTT lah, tapi benda ni memang special lah. Kalau you ada benda ni, sekali pandang orang cakap, okay, this is original GTR. Okay, so we're heading to Lekas Highway. You know, I just want to show the POV macam mana kereta ni. You know, this is my dream car, of course. You know, since kecil-kecil lagi. Siapa yang tak tahu, siapa yang main Gran Turismo semua sure kenal lah, you know. R34 GTR. Tarik sikit sedap. Naik Blue Romer lah. So okay, back to what I was saying just earlier. Siapa yang kaki main Gran Turismo, is either Gran Turismo 1, Gran Turismo 2, you know, must be the Gen Y, my age, you know, 30 plus. Korang sure follow Nissan GT-R lah. Not only Gran Turismo, you ada Fast and Furious, and siapa lagi yang ikut Initial D pun sure tahu R34. So it's a legendary. So kalau you tengok dalam ni interior, owner memang maintainkan original, you know. Just you can see here Prophet from JRD. Not even a boost meter here on your B panel. You can speedometer, I think owner dah tukar ke Nismo, so you can see until 320 km/h. Right, the original is only shows 180. Right, I think siapa-siapa yang kaki JDM semua, most of JDM cars only come, original dia comes with 180. Even my Evo pun 180 the earlier. So kalau siapa yang nak tukar semua, you have your really art to 260. So like Nissan, dia ada Nismo up into 320, like Supra, TRD until 320 juga. So okay, what else? R34 comes with 6 manual transmission. Alright. The previous version, which is the R33 GT-R, only 5 gear, 5 manual transmission, and R32 pun 5 speed manual transmission. But ni is a 6 speed, come with the additional of reverse gear. So lighter, according to Nissan, it's lighter and also fuel efficiency, right, compared to R33 GT-R with 5-speed manual. Okay, according to owner, this car can produce about 600 easily, you know. I'm not sure whether it's on low boost or high boost, but 600 is quite decent. It's powerful lah. Sorry for my word, quite decent. It's not decent lah, you know, it's powerful. So kita dah ada highway lepas ni. Alright, should we go from first gear? Tak rasa apa. This is one good thing about GT-R R34. I mean, if you ask any owner of R33, R32, kata when certain speed the car feel bumpy, but not on R34. 250, 260, dia on 6 gear, 280. Jangan bagi tahu owner. Sorry owner, lepas sekian sikit. But don't be surprised, I know this owner personally, you know. He's been driving the car daily. This guy memang dia pakai kereta dia, you know. Memang make use of it to the fullest lah orang panggil. Every day, pergi kerja, balik kerja, daily. So far, I mean orang cakap RB26 manja, you know, but all depends on luck juga. I think the luck to get this car Tak ada apa-apa masalah so far.